As a result of the First Congolese War, the Rwandan government had installed Laurent Désiré Kabila as the President of the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Although he was expected to be a puppet to the Rwandan government, Kabila attempted to assert his own authority by expelling Rwandan politicians from Congolese government positions. This angered the Rwandan government, for they feared that this was a sign Kabila was planning to commit atrocities against Congolese ethnic Tutsis. In order to install another puppet government, and to secure the safety of ethnic Tutsis in the Congo, Rwanda would have to invade. The Rwandan general James Kabarebe, with both Rwandan and Ugandan forces under his command, drafted a daunting plan to quickly strike at the Congo. Kabarebe was to lead his forces to capture Goma, where he could use the local airport to quickly fly his entire army across the country to Katona. From there, Kabarebe planned to advance eastward and to strike the nation's capital, Kinshasa, where he would then depose Kabila. Luckily, on the 2nd of August, Congolese forces in Goma under General Sylvain Mbuki turned against Kabila in a mutiny. Because Mbuki also wanted Kabila deposed, he joined forces with Kabarebe as his army began arriving the next day. The rest of Kabarebe's army arrived in Goma on the 4th, where they then hijacked 4 passenger planes to transport their army. Meanwhile, Kabila and Robert Mugabe of Zimbabwe secured an agreement to assist each other in times of need. This would play a vital role in the defense of the Congo.
In 1998, Zimbabwe was part of the multinational intervention that went to the DRC to defend Kabila when the rebels from Rwanda and Uganda were closing on to Kinshasa. Zimbabwe sent quite a number of troops there to help Kabila hold ground. There are so many stories about the war in DRC, and most of these stories have not been told. But in this series, we want to talk about some of these issues, talking to the people who were in the DRC. At some point, some Zimbabweans, about 120 Zimbabwean National Army guys were surrounded, or they were trapped in a small town called Ikela, and it took nearly 11 months or so for them to manage to break the siege. So we are talking to one of the guys who experienced, or who was part of the guys who were surrounded in Ikela. If you know anyone, or you were part of that siege or operation to rescue the guys from Ikela, you can get in touch with us and let's get the conversation. This is just a story about heroes, about wars, and at side we have a lot of interest in military history. Join us for this program.
Sasuka lapha ngo-98 sisiya eDRC. Sifika eDRC samba sayihlala endaweni ethiwa yiMbandaka. Si-battalion.
I-battalion yabela abantu abangaki?
I-battalion iyabile more than 1,000 because iyabile ama-attaches. Battalion yakhona ikhonyonda ngu-Colonel Mativunye by that time. So sifike eMbandaka sahlala Mbijana. Kwasokuthiwa kule ndawo ethiwa yiKela uKabila secelile ukuthi kusukume ibattalion yonke le ihambe iKela. So thina sasuka as an advanced locus company yayicommandwa nguKapanga, ilo Colonel Kapanga. By that time he was a major. Lo Nyathi Ulizwe, by that time he was a captain. So kwasothiwa sisuke sihambe.
So maybe Konopana and Singabuzu, why was Ikela that important during that time?
Ikela ikokule ilokhuzeni uthi i-enemy vele ngafika khona ithathe Ikela sile access lohamba eKinshasa. So uKabila ezethathe iDRC was striker evela eIkela. So what he did, wayenza konke wasekhohlwa ukuthi protect iIkela. So wase decide ukuthi acela amaZimbabweans ukuthi ehambe eIkela. No matter there was a brigade eyayikhona eyama soja akhe eyayikhomanyandwa ngubrigadier Lokilo, but already sebehlamukile. So thina sahamba sisiya khona ukuyebamba leyo ndawo. Yiyo kuphela from Mbandaka to Ikela it's 1,000 kilometers. Yikho kule airstrip.
So this was traveled by road?
Akula road. By water. There is a river called Schwab. Yes, asihamba ngayo. So sathatha 11 days, 11 nights.
In the water?
Yes.
No break?
Hayi kwakungabrekwa. Kwakufuna ukuthi kuyebanjwa iground. Ngoba abafana bethu abanye abe-reconnaissance baye sebehambile abathathu khonale. So kwakungasalalwa ngoba bathe befika khonale base bebona ukuthi abantu labana bonke bahlamukile. So sasigijimela ukuthi siye ba rescue labo futhi in time. So sasesihamba siyefika khonale after 11 days, 11 nights, which is 22 days. Sithe siyefika khonale omnye sathola sevele sefile. Fine. Sifika khonale labana abantu bebevele behlamukile kudala. Lathi kwakusanda kucapture abanye abantu 16 amaZimbabwean soldiers. Ngokuya kubo Kivule. Bemenyezela ukuthi sebehambile eKigali. So laba abantu sifika laphana bebekwazi ukuthi it's a walkover lathi bazascapture. So lathi thina sifika laphana sasikwazi ukuthi it's either do or die.
So nalifika libangaki?
320 Zimbabweans, heavily armed and aggressive. Sahle sayehliki esajabulela khona sahle sayehliki iskepa sithutshulwanga sahle sayekepa amasaba ko duck in. Stese siku duck in sesithetha ama defensive position. After 7 days amasoja lana eCongo wonke avuke ngekho. So kuseloku iplatoon kwabo ku is it 15 men okungabafana okuncane. Wasokuqalisa ukusitshela ukuthi alibuye lapha sibefuze silicapture. Kodwa siswelile ukuthi salicapture njani. Because when they saw us sikepa siya phansi bebesithi kwesinye isikhathi zabo kunyamalala kwaba funny to them. Because in their lifetime bebengazake bekubone ukuthi why abantu bekepa, because they were saying it's either we sikepi gold, diamond, they don't know. Babona sifaka izihlahla bathi hayi no, these people they are so fun. So now labana basitshela ukuthi madoda la libe lifuze licapture saba more alert. Then after 10 days we received a letter ukuthi siyabuya thina amaRwandese sifuna ukuzolithatha. Istrategy ezayenza sizafika by 10 o'clock basinikeza lelanga. Nxa sifika lapho sizadubula ibhazuka emoyeni 3 times. Then ama commanders sebuya kithi sizalitshela what to do. It was so wasiyenza ukuthi siyalelo kesinjani sikhula siba aggressive, and for sure that day babuya bathumela umuntu sasithi bangathumela umuntu simfake kuma defensive position, bethumela umuntu so bathe sebeku almost 500 meters bathumela umuntu uthi sebebuyile. Lokho besitshela ukuthi ama commanders wazabuya phambili, babuya baze bayifika 200 meters baqalisa ukutshaya ingungu ku 200 meters.
So maybe you can give us a description endawo le yayikhona. It was kwakuligceke, is it a forest, how is it like?
Congo it's ever raining. Airstrip le it's an island, iku island like ku right kule river vele high crosseki ngenyawo crosseka ngeboat, on your left vela crosseki kule swamp engakrosekiyo, so the kule road kuphela only one.
So these guys can only attack you from one position.
One direction, yes. All of the boat bezosi attacker lasemuval. Right. So thina la ku 100 meters sasithile, sasilo engineer wethu unkala sathia ama pop trips, safaki arsenal yethu yonke sasilayo lama Claymore mines ayengazakali enemy ukuthi iClaymore mine kuyini. Sasi bathe befika ku 100 meters abafana abaningi babese bekhululele hembe bejabula ukuthi lapha ipampa harvest. By the time abakhalisa khona ibasuka 2 times sabayekela basebethuma umfana sebemelele one ilokhozeni ukuthi bedubule futhi bathuma omunye umfana ukuthi hambe batshela ukuthi sesidubula ibhasuka ekugcina ama commanders abesesithi abesebuya forward. Umfana lwana sathi awubuyele hlala la, babona umfana sephuzile lokho bekida so kuthe benjalo babona sebephuzile lo babe betshaya ibhasuka eyodwa eyokugcina sahle saqala khonapho.
So we fight there.
Asingathi ayifight because we destroyed the target. Sa Captain Pope 600 ku first battalion 600 weapons. Ayinhlamva ngikwazi ukuthi sasingaki. Sahle sabale ammunition vele heavy engalukhusekiyo. Right, fine. Thina sifelwanga noma ukuthi utshilela umuntu one because sasiku defensive position. Siphansi emagodini but sibone enemy buyayo.
So after a good start, how do you get stuck there? How do you get surrounded?
Enemy, what they did now, sebebona ukuthi hey abantu laba bacabanga ukuthi abantu sibaningi kakhulu. Ngefire sasiyiphumisa lapho yayi high volume of fire. Basebe as I said ukuthi ngapha kwakule river. Bahle ba lokuza along the river. So sase situtshulwa ngabantu abasuka amabhomba abo amamota bebawajika from ngapha ngale futhi bejika from there ngapha bejika from there. Okwanisa ukuthi ekuseni nxa befuna ukule attack befuna ukudubulana lana bayaqala lapha ekuseni laba emini laba ntambama abanye ebusuku. So uyabusuku ukuthi okay ngale kulabantu ngale kula we are now surrounded. So sabe kwazi ukuthi si surrounded. So ama supplies ethu they tried ukuthi bebuye bezosinika okudla vele the only way abangasinika ngakho kwakuyindizamthini zaze zingasafiki ngoba ngapha this river ngapha kushwapa lo ngale kwakukhwele phezulu kwesihlahla okwanisa ukubona ukuthi ibhasuka liyani isuka esihlahleni lesiyana ngale isuka esihlahleni lesiyana izegiwe phezulu kwesihlahla so kwakungahlaleki so indizamtshini esibuyikhatshana kwakulomuntu one simthemba owethiwa nguMazambane upilot wenguMazambane. This Mazambane nxa ebuyile is an ex-combatant. Wokwanisa ukwazi ukuthi nxa kubuya uMazambane ngoba sasimuzwa esithi uyabuya ngekwanisa ukubuya ehlambijana not any other these ones laba vele bebengabonakali uyabona so okudla kwaso kujikelwa ku enemy sometimes kithi mbijana uyabona so we suffered a lot ngokudla kwakungasela in fact sesiphila ngoku ilokuzeni amapopola izihlahla lezana sisilokhu sasizichola sisiba yilokuzeni sisilokhuze sifake emlilweni silokhuze sichole kube impuphu yi-survival lesasiyazi plus nxa kubuye indizamtshina sasikwazi ukuthi la nxa sokunje sesiqalile futhi ukuthi kube lani i-enemy vele nxa kubuye indizamtshina soqalile ukuliwa vele kwakungasoze kubuye kungaliwanga kwakuliwa notokokudlala okunye kwakusiba khona kusenzakala ngokuthi ama-uniform sasingasela i-army yayizama ngazo zonke indlela ukusiphathela izigqoko but sasiyewela ku-enemy i-enemy iphindise ibhalele incwadi ukuthi impahla leziyana izicathulo elizithumeleyo zinkulu kakhulu lezi gqoko engabe liyenze sasesikwazi saba le problem yokuthi silabafana abatshawa yi-phosphorus abathelwa ngamanzi amanzi ama-phosphorus so most of the guys ababe phakathi lapha ba-affectwa they were affected and they were totally affected uyabona so nobody engwaziyo lelizwe lethu lalingasacabanga ukuthi thina sinjani lokho sikusayidi labo kumbe sikusayidi le-enemy because you can be captured by the enemy i-enemy kuyuze i-acte like loyal uyabona nobody was in a position to come and rescue us kwaba lo commando
but before you even talk about the rescue in communication did you have radio communication with your guys
sasile communication as I have said that ukuthi isikhathi sabaside 1 year so akula muntu esestrust I still remember besithi sikuzwa over the radio ukuthi no abantu laba it's either sebeku enemy so akusela kwakungasela umuntu estrust on our side
so emotionally nje how was the morale ebantwini elalilabo life nje lalithola lisenzani if you are not fighting
immoral yaqina sinengi let me tell you immoral yayisikhona okunye kwasisurvive sayo sesibone ngathi kusekhaya singathi sifu kwakungasela lutho esiluswelayo and sasingacabanga ukuthi ngapha ekhaya for sure sasingacabanga ukuthi sizabuya ngapha ekhaya akula muntu ecabanga ngakho khonokho ngoba ngabona ukuthi lihlale 1 year ukudla likuthola nzima 1 year akula muntu olilokhuzayo ukuthi linikwe no me off akula sasingela communication lama-families ethu kwakungasela muntu ongacommunicate le family yakhe
umuntu lemali
kwakungasela mota ilenda la kwakungasalendeki imali esasizihole khona ngale sasisikhwameni sezingasakwanisi ukuthi singabuya ngapha. Unfortunately mina lami ngandethe umfazi soja by the time bese betshela ukuthi obaba asibaboni so ku-army ungahlala isikhathi esinjalo bayahamba betshela ifamily ukuthi ubaba simboni asikwazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. So lathi sahle sasithatha ukuthi hayi akula nto enjalo akula lapha esiya khona. Saba lama-Namibians abuya lapha afuna kwakutshawa labana bazitshayisa thina silabantu abafayo ngoba bathelwa i-phosphorus abadutshulwa i-enema sila. Ama-Namibians arelaxa ayesechazeka kakhulu ngoba kwasokuchaza bachawa ibomba 1 ilawela phakathi kweposition yabafa beyi7 ama-Namibians not iZimbabwean army. I'm happy about abebekwenza because they were ever alert. Then when we heard ukuthi uKennedy Piki uyasi sevolunteer sebuya angathi ngikuvolunteer because he was given ngani kwi-task ukucommander ama-commandos wabuya civil ama-Namibians lama-commandos eZimbabwe wabuya wazoyefika civil. If I'm not mistaken ama-commandos aqeda 40 days ukufika lapha esesikhona 40 days kuhanjwa.
So they were traveling by umfula labo futhi
hayi bebekhamba bengena lescape okungahambeki khona ngeLokhuzeni ngenyawo bebengena eLokhuzeni oro beqale singahamba beclear i-road bengena escapeni beclear bengena escapeni because besides that akula lapho ungafika khona i-road yonke le yayisivele sivaliwe ukenzela ukuthi thina akula lapho esiza kuya khona. So sebenze njalo wazobuya sibili uPiki saphuma.
So tell us the day uPiki efika lapho wafika ngani, by air, by road, what happened?
Wafika ngescape amanye lapha esasikhona kwakufike kanje bafika ngescape not by road akula road eCongo. Uyabona amasoja akula road i-road lizane lizaziyo. If nxa ufuna ukulwa eCongo uyafika ubambe an area uhlube kuDark in ungavela uyilahle ukuthi wena ufuna ukuhamba nge-road nxa uhamba egangeni la uhamba ngegumboots or uhamba ngama-slippers. Awusoziboni umsotsha weCongo egqoke nxa eseku-operation egqoke izicathulo lezi. He is being forced ukuthi egqoke ama-gumboots amade la ngoba akuphakathi kwamanzi or ama-slippers. Kunjalo Ndebele.
So bafika lapha ide wafika yona, how was the feeling amongst the babona bezofika?
Yeah, ama-commandos basitshengisela ukuthi they are highly trained. Labo bazorescue labo abantu abanjani abatshengisela ukuthi they are also trained. Saba le morale enkulu, sabakwazi ukuthi everything has been cleared. Sahlala labo some few days sabe singena escapeni sabuyela ababuyelazo. But unfortunately when ababa on their way kulama engineers achawayo bahle bacha khonapho ngababona sibili yimi ngabathola ngaze ngabuya labo eZimbabwe bachawa i-B10 isikepe sabo sachawa i-B10 umbhobhoto i-B10 so i-area lesa si-occupyele Ndebele vele noma yena uGagame wazama usukumisa impuphu yakhe emkhulu like ama BM40 i-BM40 le yikatusha lami nginje idutshulwa ngaqalisela ukuyibona khonapho badubula i-BM40 i-40 barrel thina sacabanga ukuthi izindiza mtshina umuntu wonke wayethuka but into eyenzakalayo lapha konke kwayechaya kwawela phakathi kwamanzi lapho esasihlala khona kwakungachayeki ngizama ukukhuluma ama-incidents abakhona ngale kule inye incident esasifuze esarelaxa khona but I suspect ukuthi abantu laba bangena la ngapha okwa esasifake khona iplatoon yamafaka amasotsha khona ngale amasotsha eku-Uganda ayi-2 uCaptain loMnyisa Major bangena baze befika endlini kaCommander wethu uKabhanga babona sebefikile sebezama ukulokhuza zazikhala befuna ukumgepha uKabhanga bangena sibili yena kulelo kuzena sithi command post sigepile vele bephakathi so into yabakhona ngekuthi waqala ukubonakala ngumNamibian umNamibian lwana wahlwa mana bahle bajika impopho phansi to isibindi sabona uCaptain lo wetrain weZimbabwe eStaff College sahle samcapture wabuya ngapha angikwazi ukuthi waya ngaphi lokho I don't know but ilokuzeni ama contact with the enemy there were more than 134 I have a situation liana to tell you the truth ngibe ngikhangele bekhuluma ngokuthi bethuselana impi yeKongo nxa ufuna ukuyichaya khangela ispace okule okule place ukuthi ufike uyenze nxa usithi enemy buya le this direction fika ukhempe khona pha ungavele wazenzela iplan ukuhamba you go ungahamba baya kubulala just ngena ku defensive when asu make sure ukuthi if they are coming with this direction and they will come ngamakiwa labana if they say 10 o'clock I'll be there they will be there by 10 o'clock.
But isn't it interesting when they will write a letter and tell you that you was going to 10? Yes. Was it Babeli Telela or what?
Yeah, Babeli Telela because prior they captured 16 members of the Zimbabwe National Army. The way how they captured them, mina ngokucabanga kwami yokuthi that platoon which was captured yafika yafakwa ku enemy bengakwazi ukuthi abantu labana bahlamuka kudala. It is just the same like us when we went to Ikela engabe safika siphonga ukuthi omyelele we going to be captured when abantu basinceda ukuthi sibekwazi ukuthi babe captured sasizangena lathi sibe captured because they wanted to be so friendly to us sathi no and after 7 days they disappeared sahle sabakwazi ukuthi la kwasala ucommander wabu brigade commander othiwa nguLokilo silondodo omunye wayekwazi iSwahili wethiwa nguKatifu uKatifu lo wesizwe ukuthi ienemy thini so into esayenzayo eyasincedayo sasisizwa safaka undoda lo elalela ukuthi commander lo uthini ngapha ekhuluma le enemy thina sibe sesiyenza ama countermeasures. So the situation iyayisinceda nale ukuthi sasilabanye amagorilla etrainwe eTanzania, no matter they were now soldiers, sasesizihlobo ilokhu zawo nama languages amaningi. Labanye abafana, as I've said, the platoon of Congolese, bese bestruster because we're giving them food. Bese bestela the correct information. That's how we survived. But truly speaking, kwakunzima. But the training that ends why Zimbabwe National Army, I don't know now. Yayenza ukuthi singayithuki lutho plus most of those guys bebe ngabadala because there is a time whereby we decided to leave Sichiyama position. Abadala bebe sithi siye ngaphi siluphele kangaka. We are not going even kuma 50 kilometers. As I have said, it was something like 1,000 kilometers by road. Headquarters.
So you were never going to just get there?
One, sasingafiki. Two, the only thing is to fight for survival, and which we did.
So maybe my last question is, looking at the way you guys fought and united, would you say when you're in a crisis, people tend to unite? I'm sure there were there any divisions amongst you, say, the situation or not?
Kwakungela division. Zimbabwe National Army, nxa sokuse empini akula division. And if you are divided, you cannot stand. You cannot stand. You cannot fight any war. So, sasibambene for your own information. Kungelo mnyoso lo munye noma ukhangelele phansi omunye umuntu ngerenki. Let me tell you about the commander. Commander Sasilai Okapanga. That guy is still alive. Lolize is now a colonel Unyati. Abantu labo they acted like ngathi singabantu ababo. Whatever bebekuthola lalishare. I still remember one day sintshontshintja inyama yenja ngoba kongasela ezama ukuthi madoda let us eat anything. So akongela division. Sasingasoze sime. Sabuya sithe sifike eMbandaka sesiphumile. Ikwesahlangana khona lo vice president uChiwenga. He came kuwozone. Wafika civil efuna ukubona ukuthi abantu beyikela kanjani. Wasibona. They were so fun. Sasingasela discipline. Sasingasela civil lokuthi sasithi singafika, we were acting like rebels. Even sifika kwabanye abantu sasingasabona ukuthi ngabantu. I still remember that sasdisarma ngoba sasingadubula. Sasibona ukuthi ngathi abantu laba ba relaxile basihlalele thina sifile but we just thank God. Sabuya abanye ababuya sathola vele imizi yethu sifile. Abanye bathola vele abafazi sebengasekho lami nje umfazi wesemovile. Uyabona, we are totally affected. Ngemkhuhlane langani, then we were given ama medal, a Bravo medal by the government. The government gave us a Bravo medal. Lay one up promotion. Evasinika. We say we thank God because of that. Basi promise nje esilokhu sikukhangele kumbe sokule some years the president was there. What each province kuzabe kule plaza elibhalwe iKela.
Ule